A little better translation. So this is in the Krishna Paksha time of the month. The Abhisarika, the traveling lover, which I call traveling lover going for rendezvous or lover's tryst. She will go in the darkness, and this Rupa Goswami is quoting an earlier work of his called Vidagdha Madhav. Oh, Sakhi Radharani. This is Alita. Alita is speaking to Radharani. She's traveling on Amavasya to meet Krishna. Oh, Sakhi. Covering their limbs with dark cloth, many saintly girls have gone to meet Krishna in the Kadamba forest. Alas, the lightning splendor of your limbs appearing through your cloth will dispelling the deep darkness has become your enemy. Vishnu's commentary. The luster of your body, Radharani, coming through the holes in the cloth, pierces the deep darkness, which is your best friend. That luster of yours is your enemy. This is a type of Sanskrit in Kavi or Natya Shastra. There's something called Vyajastuti. And Vyajastuti means your prayers or your words are saying one thing that looks negative, but actually it's a glorification. And you have this dark sari on, and you have all this dark blue sapphire bangles and necklaces and all dark jewelry and kajal and musk everywhere to cover your naturally effulgent tapta kanchana Gaurangi, beautiful form. But it doesn't work. You're so beautiful. It's called lavanya. This luster, the luster of youth. Lavanya Sara. Radharani is called Lavanya Sara. She's the essence of lavanya. So, Tavatu Parito Vidyud Varnastano Duti Suchayo Hari Harigan Dwantanyeta Surayani Bindate. So this is a little bit about the traveling lover, and we'll continue more there next time.